Hi, this is Wu Zhang. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to take a look at the accessories for the Aeroblade rooftop tent from Mars Adventure Gear. If you go to their website, you'll see options for the basic Aeroblade package and the Adventure package. I'm going to break down what's included in each package and also show you some other available accessories. The Aeroblade rooftop tent is incredibly thin and light. When closed, it's only about 3.5 inches tall and weighs around 110 pounds. This means it has very little air resistance and doesn't really affect your vehicle's mileage, which I think makes it the perfect rooftop tent for a Cybertruck. The basic Aeroblade package comes with a rooftop cover. The tent itself is well sealed, so water won't get in even if it rains. If you have to park outside during a long period of rain, this cover makes maintenance much easier, so it's a great accessory to have. The fabric is thick and it has clips on the front, back, and sides, so you can securely attach it to your roof rack. Once you take the cover off, you just undo the 4 clamps on the Aeroblade and the tent pops right open. The setup is seriously that easy. The basic package includes a ladder and a carrying case. I put these ladder step covers on mine, which I used with my old iCamper. They make it more comfortable to go up and down and prevent your feet from slipping. The only downside is that the ladder doesn't fit perfectly into the carrying case with them on, so just keep that in mind. You can install the ladder mount wherever you want. It was originally mounted on the left, but I moved it to the right because of my awning. The ladder just hooks onto the tent, which is convenient, but it can feel a bit loose on uneven ground, so that's something to be careful about. It also comes with 2 waterproof pouches. They have loops, so I think you can just hang them on the roof rack. I plan on using them to store my shoes when I climb into the tent. Let's see what additional accessories come with the Adventure package. First, you get a set of rooftop tent crossbars. They are easy to install, and I really like how sturdy and slim they are. Some people have mounted recovery boards or storage box on them, and you can adjust their position freely, so they're very flexible. I think it would be cool to mount a solar panel on here later on. The Adventure package also includes a thermal liner. It's still summer, so I haven't installed it yet, but the thickness and overall quality look great. I'll install it and test it out once the weather starts to cool down. Besides these, there are a few more accessories sold separately. Let me head inside the tent to show you. The tent opens up on 3 sides, giving it a great open feel. All the windows have both a bug mesh and a blackout cover. The zipper pulls are large, which makes them really easy to open and close. The ceiling is made of a fabric material with a cool terrain graphic printed on it. Since it's fabric, you can attach anything with Velcro, which I think gives it a lot of potential for customization. They also sell this Aeroblade storage bag separately. There are no built-in pouches on the sides of the tent, so this is really useful for storing your phone or other small items. This is a Velcro interior hook, which is also sold separately. The Velcro is really strong, so you can mount it anywhere on the ceiling and use it to hang things like a lantern. Taking a closer look at the tent, there are dedicated vents on both ends for an air conditioner or a heater. You can set up your AC or heater outside and run the hose through here to easily regulate the indoor temperature and prevent bugs from getting in through any gaps. I was also curious about the mattress. It's made of a sponge-like material, about 1 inch thick, and the cover can be removed for washing. Underneath the mattress, there's an anti-condensation mat to prevent moisture from building up. I haven't spent a night in the tent yet, so I can't say how comfortable the mattress is. But if you prefer something softer, you could probably add a thin mattress or a topper. A lot of you have been asking about the interior size. I'm about 6 feet tall, and if I lie down with my head all the way at the top, my toes just barely touch the end. But since you don't usually sleep perfectly straight, I don't think it'll be uncomfortable. The width is about 50 inches, so it's spacious for one person, but I say it's best for up to 2 adults. I'll give you a proper review after I take it camping. The corners of the tent are pretty cozy, so I have a feeling this will be my dog's new favorite spot. That was a look at the Aeroblade rooftop tent and its accessories. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See ya!